Today we are here in Abrio New Valley to check out this newly foreclosed property right behind me. This premium land with a total lot area of 897 square meters and approximately 835 square meters floor area. Now take note, this property is for bidding and the starting bid price is around 45.6 million. So let's go. As you can see, the property is currently unfinished and this will be turned over on as is where is basis, meaning whatever you see is what you get. But here's where it gets interesting. This property is under Ayala Premier, the upscale segment, so you already know the value and exclusivity here. So this is the basement and the car park area of the property. Pagkatin natin yung taas. This is the first floor. We actually have a caretaker here. Umalis lang siya. And then, ito yung pinaka-kitchen area. Open layout dito. This is the dining area. Kasi meron tayo ditong center island for the kitchen. And then from here, it leads to your living area. Pero meron pang isang kwarto dito. Yan. Dito sa may ground floor. Walk-in closet. And then may sarili siyang bathroom. So, yan. Hindi nga lang talaga natapos. Unfinished structure. And then this is your living area. Diba? Laki. So for context, lot values alone under Ayala Premier here in New Valley are already around 60,000 per square meter and up. But this property, including the improvement or unfinished structure, is priced at around 50,000 per square meter. So yes, this is definitely a steal sale and below market value. I'm assuming dito yung main door niyan. Okay. Tapos here is the common bathroom or the powder room. And then there's another bedroom here. Or pwede siyang gawing small office or gym. Tayo sa taas. So this is perfect for buyers who want to customize their dream home or investors looking for high value properties in New Valley. If you are interested, message us directly. So this is the second floor. We have a dog here. Si Bantay. This is going to another bedroom here. With own walk-in closet and ensuite bathroom. So may hallway tayo dito. And then here, another bedroom with own, again, walk-in closet and bathroom. Ayan. Then another bedroom here. Ilan ng kwarto? Pang lima na yata to. Then that's your view. Also with own bathroom. Ensuite. And walk-in closet. Then we have another bedroom here. Walk-in closet din siya. Yan. So total of 5 or 6 bedroom po siya. And this is available in cash or at least 10% down payment. And then 90% balance bank financing plus taxes and fees. So if you are interested to make an offer and schedule a property showing, please message us directly. So meron siyang driveway. That's the back of your property. And then side. Then this is the kitchen area and dining area. So again, this is as is where is upon turnover. I highly suggest you bring your architect or your engineer when you visit this property to get the assessment of how much it would be or how much would be the cost to finish this property. Okay? So again, if you are interested to make a bid and schedule a property showing, please message us directly. It's the side of the property. So since this is Ayala Premier or under Ayala Premier, the utilities here, water and electric, are all underground. And this is high-end or upscale. Wide roads and aspalto po siya.